When I was a child, I wanted to be an ornithologist. Last spring, I started painting birds I saw during my walks and my hikes, and I was focusing on birds I was seeing for the first time. If, like me, you want to channel your passion for nature in your creations, join me in this class. My name is Valérie Mercier. I am an artist and educator from Ottawa, Canada. I've been teaching art and art history to people of all ages in classrooms and art galleries, including the National Gallery of Canada. This class is for anyone who likes nature and likes to paint. If you're looking to develop your ease with gouache, this class is for you. I will show you how to make a sketch and transfer it onto mixed media paper, how to mix your paint, create textures and layers, and an imitation of feathers. Like if you were bird watching, you will develop your sense of observation and you'll build a color palette that is accurate to the bird you want to paint. But it wouldn't be a class with me if there wasn't a little bit of art history. Nature has been a muse to artists since time immemorial. So that means I will show you a few artists who decided to make bird their main subject matter. So if you feel inspired and you're ready to start, join me in this class.